bail me. Who willing to fly down and bail me? That more right now. Because the next time she come and me with the police, me I mash out the car with the gas and me and her, me I draw her out of it. One who can bail me. I said the next day come and me out with the police, me I mash out the glass and draw you out of it by your neck. You can tell about me? You can tell about me? You can tell about me? Stop ramping me here. I don't get out of character because you're not going to like the demon side of me. I'm not ramp with me too much. I'm a serious more than you know. Chat me I look too girl. Hey, shut up below. Shut up! Come and throw you out the door.
Hold on.
I keep walking on a blood clot. Yes. I see you, mister. I keep walking on a. She lock the police door.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarded from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And as you can see on the screen, it's not a good look for Queen Rosealee. Yes, as you can see, her mom is in the streets with a group of mothers seeking justice. You see what I said? As well as, you know, Nisa is seeking justice as well as Jakes. And as you can see, Rosealee has no respect for the law. As you can see, she ripped up the cease and desist paper, and no, she's out here threatening the police. Yes, all of these good things is in some people. So let's really hear what go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
I prefer that one. Hey, girl, around pretty, you know. Y'all laugh. I tell you what, I say she don't open the blood clot today. She don't put the police them clap for that kid. So good look at y'all about around with me. On around put something in my head now. Pull! Suck your mom from your idiot. So police can't say, you know. Shut up! I look a couple of minutes back talking, you know. Like that, they don't even know who me be. They say you don't even know who you are ramping. You're ramping the wrong person. Coming afraid of nobody, no police, nobody. She not have them have to leave. To me, I ramping them, I say, she look at the police, I say, when I'm around, you hear the door, I do. I take me, I tell the police, we can beat you and pay feet. Because you're ramping the wrong girl. The wrong girl you're ramping. Wrong girl. Wrong girl you're coming. You man, in front of them. I know you're coming at them in front of them. Não ter contacto, mas as regras. I man, I get me upset. I have blood clot deserve my dinner. Ramp with me. Stop being police at me yard. So me I want Nessa.
Don't make me mean this.
Never meet a cafe, you know. Jim is a nice person. I beg my company, beg Nicky, me and I ain't nothing. More work me there.
Problems in the comment section because, you know, Shay and I found it over there, so I listened to what Rosealee said about the Jamaican police, you know, and Shay wasn't taking it lightly, you know. I'm ready for stepping in our face, you know, but let's continue to hear what Rosealee had to say about this whole idea because she said she not leave Akeem and all of this switch stuff, you know.
Beating come. Me? You crazy? What up, chat? So if 4.9K people feel say me I go back. And if Akeem still not having him back, I'm say me I go back. You save me, baby. I'm finally free at last. Freedom is a much. Freedom is a must. Babylon say jail for me, but the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jack control me destiny. Me? 5,000 people. Akeem save me. Look, boy, you never know what you do to me. You do for me. So I have to have your loyalty straight. 110%. You save me. You don't know what you do for me. I know what me do for you, what you do for me. You save me. You know long more run. I sit down and calculate my days them all for move. A long time I sit down and calculate my days them. What you gonna do? I don't know. Or you gonna leave me? I don't know. The pitney them, Lord God. When you leave and the pitney, when you leave, we got companies and the pitney them. I sit down and talk about them. I sit down and talk about them the days to myself. Toto I was them say, why they say do? Toto me no know. Toto upon where they say do all the while. You deserve better friend. Where you do to yourself. Me not busy with you, you know. And then him get stern cause him say, me not busy with you, you know. Because all the while they come and tell me say, this man I beat and abuse you. And you call me and tell me that I not do the right thing. Me don't want hear. You vex with me because of the one story. You always call me and tell me, say this man I do the things them. And I tell you, leave the man, the man go and go, you're not here. I'm the bestie of them. I'm talking to a friend from me at 13. We have this conversation over and over and over. Me and talk to a friend from me at 13-year-old. And I'm the social media friend. So when Uno comes about, and our bestie tell me our business, him not do that. Never. Cause loyalty within the team, the pack. From me at 13, me know him. The Sean Crosburn. Him tell me, what you do yourself? You don't want to hear that in a girl. So guess what happened? Wow. The man give me a piece of beating last night. You know what I lie, tell Sugar, I'm gonna look on them. The man give me a piece of beating last night. Are you still there with him? I shut up. All the while I ring Toto phone. Are you still there with him? I shut up. Then them come with him stern, you know. Me no want hear. We come here tell me that for girl, me no want hear. My time for tell you say, leave the man and you deserve better. But you gotta eat that. Me no want hear. Me have time to call to them say me don't want hear. Me have to change the topic because him don't want. And when him say him don't want hear, you mean him don't want hear. You don't know him. Like I do. When him say him don't want hear, mean him don't want hear. Him no want hear nothing. Cause him tell me over and over, leave this man, he deserve better. Then Junior go in and tell the man, analyze you if you leave him. What more proof you want? What mean by it? What I talk about? If me never meet Akeem last year, me that still there see you on a beating. Toto, if me never meet Akeem last year, Akeem boy, me not care what no one say me not leaving him. Because me there at a point in my life where me need somebody to come and rescue me, and he did. Me need somebody to save me, and he did. Me not left him. Me no care what none of you want to say upon this mother blood clot, fucking blood clot. Me no care. My loyalty lies with him always. Yeah, save me. Because me, as a human being, me never have the strength and the courage to walk away. Sometimes I don't want somebody to grab my hand and say, come, walk away. Move up, lift up. Because sometimes we need somebody to say, all right, then, hold your hand and have to walk. And the care want to tell me, so the care what Angela say, the care what Toto say, what care what Munch say, me did always just still dead. I mean, I keep and I tell myself, say, why I'm still here. This man abused me so much physically and mentally. The amount of beat me get no stop yourself. Me. I think him nice. Next time him no nice. Cause girl, another element that I go to them. I say, I want to open the police door to look bad. Next time, I dry you out by your teeth.
You see, I run away and I want to fight. Police them not do it to them, get a job and just do them job. Just want to draw your face or some things for like if something for do and you pick up me by you them a come for car. But them go want to use things too.
Anybody don't know when they live going on my inbox so she live now. I come here after you. I not come with no police. I'm gonna show you what time it is. Anybody want to know when they live, just tell me where she live. I want a link for where she live. Just tell me where she live. I'm tired of you. You ramp with me too much. I mean, me not ramp with you. I mean, I want serious blood clot, girl. Hey, shut up, my man.
Shut up, man. Bitch. You hungry? Where your food? You want no money? Shut up.
I'm gonna put you out the door, you know. Alright. Back in again one more time. I'm gonna put you out the door in the blood clot.
No.
Hey, no, I'm have to put you out the door, you know. I'm kind of dark and can't see, you know. Nobody ramp with me, you know. Tell me I ramp with you, know. Who should lock that door then?
Yeah,
Well, look about who are going to bail me. That more you. Who willing to bail me? That more you. Don't call my phone. Go look about who willing to bail me. That me depend now. Today as me speak. Who willing to bail me? You know what about to call my phone? Yeah. Who going to look about the bail ban? Who going to look about the bail ban? That moment not the pan of them the story. Who going to look about the bail ban? No one about them, no one hear nothing. Who I go look about the bail ban? That more able, no one hear nothing more. So if I don't call, not call me, I tell you don't. Who I go bail me? Don't call me, because I not go answer. Yeah. I'm kind of ignorant. I'm kind of really very ignorant. No, I'm not nobody coming out explain. I'm not nobody call me, nothing call me. I'm not explain nothing to nobody. I'm not nobody story. Bail me. The dog you know the dog get to my brains.
put him on about this?
Yeah, jam go put him. Just draw the kid. Lift up and go put him in the other room and lock the door. Him not bite you. Just push it in and go put. Go lock him up in the yeah, put him on the back. Make too much noise on my head. Head not function well.
You wanna say you chat too much more.
I say, if Lamasha get that boy, I say, Lamasha get that boy that girl my address, me and I go have some serious issues. It's all for me, I say, for me, no?
Rose, girl. I know you're dark out, you know. But breathe easy, my baby. I know you're dark out, breathe easy. And them say me a hide too, you know. And I tell them, say me they are my yard, so I can't come. But they are my yard, and I can't come. So also, I know where they panty. Oh, Roger, I don't Roger, I'm coming like on a delusional. Anything she do, we can do it too. If you send a letter, we can send a letter too.
Raja, you don't even
Anything
know.
what you say about anything what you say, we say about that, we say about Twitter. Calm down, Rosie.
So it looked like it's going to be lawsuit for lawsuit, don't it? Everybody is giving good advice, so now let's listen to what Shay and V have to say.
Play with a girl, a serious girl. You know which God you serve. A true Nessa behave like she not no sense.
Black them. I want your mama.
A true Nessa behave like she not no sense. Nessa you not no family, you not no friend, you not know nobody. I want a girl play me like how Rosealee play with Uno.
Guys, talk truth. Rosealee just say, should I go beat up the girl in front of the police? Which blood clot Jamaican police are going to tell them make Rosealee want beat the girl in them van? Not a thing. They put Rosealee in the van. Let me tell you something. A lot of time I attempt to fight girl in front of police and then hold me and shoot me in the van.
Shemiko go suck your mother. Me say anything when me want to say. Go dig out your mother, big pussy girl. Nesta should have related to me. I'ma show you something. Big so good girl. The day me there at Jamaica, me can never tell her to come visit me. Me down her baby father. She should have come. I'm gonna show no blood clad something. She should have come.
Them will lock you up.
Suck your mother and come on for this. Me tired of Uno. Stop walking and bully the blood clad girl and take set pan a little girl. Uno for go. Go on for go from your so. Uno want can boots up blood clad Rosealee to me. She feel like say she a god. And she a bully and dopic. Me say boy you ramp with the right girl. Me say hey girl. And she not even know the day me there Jamaica me the want buck your blood clot. Come me the want you play with me. Like come see you play with girl pan ya. I'm tired of blood clot. Every minute you walk a text said pan the girl. Every minute you want beat, you want this, you want that. And the people them hype you and boost up and yeah, Rose go. And you want to show you something you say. Suck good girl. Leave the girl alone. Me not leave her. Go suck your mother Sheena and go beard. You want beard. The whole no stink. You no want beard. You no smell like under rose. Come off from my blood clot live.
The lady said she get caught alive.
Come off from my life. She too much.
Guys, I'm telling you something. Fun and joke I said. Listen to me I said, guys. There is no... I see a while ago when Rosealee get up. And said she almost fight the girl in front of the police. Them and she go jog out the girl out of the police car and the police want to drive with her. That is a lie. Rosealee knows she do. If you big and bad and you can't fight in front of the police, why never bring your phone and have the person in the house turn the camera so we can see how big and bad you be? Anybody can left them phone behind and come back come say anything. Anybody can make up a story and come tell you because we not see. The phone did left. So if you big and bad, there's no need for you to leave your phone. You should have carry your phone. And make us see you almost fight Nessa. I've been through experience like that and I see it happen in a Jamaica. There's no way a police can carry a victim in a them car for come around your yard and you about to fight them. Basically, you show the police that anything what the victim say is a true. Police them either go put you in the van and handcuff you or them go pepper spray you. Because them must say you have a problem. Is it them go pepper spray you or is it them handcuff you and put you in the back? There is no way you can attempt to fight somebody so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times in front of police and then lock you down, put you in the van.
I mean, no say them serious, yeah? It's getting real serious. I know the law is kind of involved in more ways than one. It's some people, problems in the comment section, you say. But anyway, we're not going to long with this no longer. So in the meantime, I suggest you check out the next videos them you see on my end screen. You know what I mean? Because trust me, this is a whole lot to keep up with. You feel what I mean? Bless.